Welcome back everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on DWAC, Trump Media and Technology Group. So before we get started, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now if you want to get my daily trade ideas, swing trade ideas, live trading and all kinds of setups, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into it guys. So yes, it was down and I know a lot of you guys are asking for an update here on DWAC, and I'm going to say the same thing that I did before, that yeah, this thing can come down and nothing wrong with that. We still have these gaps down here at 28, one at 1738, and election is not here yet guys. So yes, there is so many catalysts, especially bad ones. He's getting sued all over the place. People are just trying to get money out of Trump, and it just where this administration wants this guy out from this election. And there is lots of bad news, and that is why whenever we get some bad catalyst, bad news, this thing drops, and then on a good catalyst, this thing goes right back up. So focus here on DWAC should be 2024 election. Now lots of investors, traders buying this, but also soon as they see a small drop, they panic. And I'm telling you guys, I've been holding DWAC shares for 2 years. Now yes, I took profit on this big run, trimming my position, and still holding 1,000 shares of DWAC for that big run that's going to happen going into that election 2024. And that is why the big focus here on DWAC should be 2024 election. And Nikki Haley is still out there trying to win, so who knows when she's going to drop out, and we could see that pop here on DWAC again. So far, look at the technicals. Yes, we got this drop. Look at this Bollinger Band here on bottom, sitting at 39.80, almost at 40. We got a drop below 39. What happened guys? Immediately went back up, and now today got up to 46 right now, and almost closing at 46. That is bullish, trading above rising 20-day moving average, which is sitting at 45.56, and now it's trading at 45.91, almost 46. That is bullish on DWAC for a run back up to 53, and possibly above 53. You're going to see explosion up to this high 58.72, and then possibly closing this gap here on top, weekly gap at 63. So do not count this stock out yet. Yes, there will be bad catalyst, bad news. It's always there guys. Nothing new with Trump, right? People are always coming after this guy and just making him look bad, so he doesn't get a chance to actually go through this election and just stays out. So there will be bad catalyst. And what happens when there is a bad catalyst? Stock can drop. And if it drops, you should be able to hold it. And if you're not able to hold the stock on a bad day, then you shouldn't be buying DWAC. Just avoid completely. Maybe day trade, maybe swing trade, 2-3 days out calls. Do not buy shares and hold long term, because it's not for you. Because if there is a drop, you're already panicking and think that this is it, it's going to crash. No, that's just not how it works. It's still, as SPAC, this thing cannot go under 10 bucks. And after merger, there will be a lot of institutional buying on DWAC, and I think this stock, especially Trump comes back right into that office, we could see a massive explosion, possibly bigger than the one Nvidia having right now. Anything is possible. Names like ASMCI can go up to what, 1100, 1200? Why not this? I mean, this is backed by former president and possibly future president, right? So anything is possible guys, and that is why do not panic. If you're holding long term, nobody can help you if you're panicking and selling everything for a loss, and then you see this thing trading at 150. So at least, if you're going long, I would say wait for that run up, and that is that election 2024 and some more catalyst, because right now we already had a massive run up. And after a big run up, there will be some consolidation. And I think that is what's happening right now on DWAC. And there is no panic, nothing going on, no big selling. And you can see this thing getting a massive bounce today. Now trading over 46, guys. Up almost 18% on the day. So going into next few days, tomorrow, DWAC can actually stay above 46. You're going to see a move all the way up to 53, possibly up to even 58.72 and then $63. Now on a pullback, you need to watch above 46. That's going to be your line in the sand right here at 46. And below that, we might be coming back and filling this gap at 40.77 from today. And that's going to be also a strong support. And why? Because if you look at my screen, lower Bollinger Band moving up, sitting at 39.80. So around $40. That's going to be strong support on DWAC. And below that, watch out for a move all the way down to 33.82, 50-day moving average right here, which is rising, and that is bullish on DWAC. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated once I see a big move to the upside on DWAC, and that is breaking and holding over 58.72, guys.